Welcome to the StatTree Help video module for sample size estimation. When preparing to conduct a study, it may be helpful to determine the minimum sample size needed to attain research goals. In many cases, the local IRB may require an a priori power analysis as part of the study approval process. To conduct a power analysis in SAS Studio, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a results window. The figures for power and alpha in the code and results correspond to recommendations in Cohen 1998, adhered to by many social scientists, although you may choose different parameters for your particular study. This output may be useful in determining the minimal sample size needed to obtain sufficient power to avoid a type 2 error when conducting your study, and may need to be reported in the Methods section of the research report. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.